Hi, smile morning, my dear children. Are you safe at home? Okay. Today we are going to start a new blog, that is blog number 5. What's the name of the lesson you know? The name of our lesson is Kinds of Animals. Okay. Today we are going to learn our lesson 1, that is dividing animals into groups. So, the aim of our lesson is we have to conclude that physical features are easy way of sorting animals. We can find out the physical features of animals. Before starting the lesson, I want to recall your memory. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Can you name some forms of transport? Yes, bus, train, sheep, aeroplane and birds. Many vehicles are there. How are these vehicles are different? All are vehicles, but how are they different? They are either used on land, in air or in water. Clear? Yes. Similar. Can you name some animals? Yes. Tell me. Lion, tiger, deer, cat, dolphin, crab, mosquito, shark, many animals. How are they different? They differ widely in where they live, how they live and what they eat. All animals eat different things. They live in different places and they look at different. Then my next question, how are they similar? How are they similar? They are similar because they all move in search of food. Okay, today we will sort animals into different groups. So, let's start with an activity. For this activity, we need an A4 sheet, workbook and sketch pen. Scale also need. Okay, all of you take your workbook and open the last page of your workbook. There you have to see a resource sheet with the picture of many animals. Look here. Here the resource sheet. Take 3 animals from this picture and paste in your A4 sheet. Okay. Then how can we classify the animals based on their feeding habits? Have you studied in 3rd standard? 3 types of animals? Yes, what is that? Carnivores, herbivores and omnivores. Okay. Carnivores. They eat? Yes, meat only. The next one, herbivores. Herbivores, they eat plant only. Then who is remaining? Omnivores. Omnivores, they eat both plants and meat. These are the classification based on their feeding habit. Clear? Okay. Then we have to check where they live. If we take a lion, what's the feeding habit of lion? Lion eat meat. So we can say lion is a carnivore. And where does the lion live? Where does the lion live? Yes, the lion lives on land. Clear? My dear children, you please take the picture of deer. Deer. Is a deer herbivore? Yes. A deer is a herbivore. Where does it live? Yes, it lives on land. Is a frog omnivore? No, it's a carnivore. It lives both in land and water. Is a tortoise a herbivore? Yes. Where does the meerkat live? Yes, very good. Meerkat live on land. Okay. Then you have to paste 3 animals photos in your A4 sheet and write what do they eat and where do they live. 3 animals pictures here and write feeding habits here, that is carnivore, herbivores or omnivores. Here you have to write where do they live, that is land or water. These are or on fly on air or fly on air. These are the things you have to complete. Clear? This is your work. Dear parents, please pause the video and help your child to do the work. Clear? Okay. Then I need one answer from you. The question is it an easy way to sort animals in these ways? We can go with that animals and find out what are they eat, where does it live. Is it an easy way? No, it's not an easy way. Why it is not an easy way? What is the problem? What is the problem? We would have to observe it for a long time. Then how can you use pictures to sort animals? What can we do? We would look at different physical features. It's very easy. When we see a picture, we can check how many legs are there, how many eyes, is it an ear, is it a hair on body. We can check the physical features and easily sorting the animals into group. Clear? Okay. Then, why is it easy to use physical features to sort animals into group? Do you know? Okay, don't worry. Physical features can be easily observed. When we see an animal, we can see the physical features, or from pictures also we can understand. Physical features can be easily observed. Can be easily observed. Physical features can be easily observed. A tortoise and a meerkat have 4 legs and they live on land. Would they be in the same group or in different groups? Yes, they are in different groups. When we look, we can see that all animals that have a distinct features, that's not present in other animals. They are put together in one group. Cats and tortoise do not share any distinct feature. So, they would be in different groups. Clear the idea? Okay, dear children, now you have to take your workbook and look at the S1 of block 5. Sorting animals into group. What is the first question? I have to read for you. Write 2 ways in which we can sort animals into different groups. What is the things we can? Carnivores, herbivores or omnivores. That is the on the basis of feeding habit or where do they live. That is the 2 ways. Why is it use physical features to sort animal into group? We can see physical features easily. We can observe physical features very easily. Okay, you have to read the rest of question and find out the answer. And read the lesson very well and find out the answer of PQ 1 and 2. Clear, dear? Okay. Children, now we have discussed our lesson 2. That is birds, mammals and fish. The aim of this lesson is we have to conclude the feathers can be used to club birds into one group. Feathers can be used to club birds into one group. Okay. What are some physical features that can be used to sort animals into group? The number of legs, number of eyes, kinds of covering the body. If it has nose or an ear can be also used to sort animals into different groups. Okay? Clear? Now, we will use physical features to differentiate between animals. Okay? My dear children, you please take your workbook. Open S2. That is animals with feathers. Look at the picture of animals and answer question number 1. What is the question number 1? What physical features is common to animals in the first row and not found in animals in the second row? Look at the picture. Yes, they have wings, they have feathers, they have 2 legs, beaks, etc. Wonderful, very good. Okay, then these are the physical features we can see. 2 legs, wings, beak and feathers. Okay, we can check the beak. All the birds have beak, but octopus also has a beak. Is it a bird? No. So we can't take that physical feature. So, wings. Butterfly has wings. Mosquito has wings. Is this a bird? Is these birds? No, they are not birds. Then, what are the common feature of a bird only? What's that? Yes, they have feathers. They have feathers. Clear? Okay. Then the common feature of a bird is they have feathers on their body. Okay. Then one more question I have asked you. Can you name a bird that does not have feathers? Anyone know the bird? No. There is no bird that does not have feathers. Clear? Therefore, observing feathers to decide if an animal is a bird or not, it's a good idea. We can easily observe that physical features to see the bird or to see the birds in a picture. Clear? Look at the picture of animals in the second row. These animals have feathers? No, they have not feathers. Then please listen my question. Can you identify an animal that can fly but it's not a bird? We can see it only at night. Which is that bird? Hanging in our banana tree or in the roof of our home. Can you name that bird, that animal? Yes, very good. Bat. He said the answer. Please clap your hands for him. Bat. Bat can fly, but bat is not a bird. Why? Yes, it has no feathers. So we can understand, if the animals have covered their body with feathers, we can understand the animals are birds. Birds have feathers. Okay, then we can discuss about mammals. Mammals are animals have hair on their body. They have ears also. The most important features of a mammal is it feed their baby milk. All mammals feed their baby milk. Okay, dear, you have to look at your resource sheet again. We have discussed birds. Then you can check some animals like goat, deer, lion, meerkat, then tiger. Please look at their body. What do you see there? We can see ear, hair on their body. Then when we look at, we can see hair on their body and they have ears. These animals in different group, that animals are called mammals. Then birds over, some animals also over. Then rest of the things you have to check in the resource sheet. What you see here? Yes, our goldfish is here. Then Mashir is here, shark is here. What is that? Yes, very good. That is fish. Fish, is it a land animal? Live on land? No, it's live in water. Fish are animals that live in water. They have fins. They lay eggs and have scales on their body. Clear? Now you have to take yes2. Now you can check the third question. An ostrich live on land and cannot fly. Why it's still considered as a bird? Yes, it has feathers on his body, on its body. Okay. Then next one, what physical feature is common to a bird? What is a physical feature? Okay. What physical feature is common to cat, meerkat, goat, lion and horse? And how it different from bird? Dear children, please read lesson 2 and complete your workbook and PQ question number 3 and 4. Okay, stay safe at home. Thank you. Bye bye.